Hello everyone, myself KALAISELVI. So today we are going to discuss the topic polynomials. Next. So first we are going to discuss the definition of polynomial equation. The equation formed with variables, exponents and coefficient are called polynomial equation. The polynomial equation have different exponents where the higher digit is called degree of the equation. We can solve the polynomial equations by factorizing method and then synthetic division method. Next. So first we are going to see the example of polynomial function. The polynomial function we can set f of x. So see the example, f of x equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 19. So this is the polynomial equation. In that equation, the polynomial equation is expressed in the form of an into x power n. Here a is the coefficient and x is the variable and n is the exponent. Also, we have already discussed in the introduction part, the value of exponent should always be the positive integer. There is no negative integer in the starting equation. Okay, next we see the expand of the polynomial equation. So polynomial equation we can set f of x. So f of x equal to an into x power n plus an minus 1 into x power n minus 1 up to etc. plus a1 into x plus a of 0. The whole equation is equal to 0. The general expression, it can also expressed f of x. The polynomial equation we can express f of x. So see the an example. See the example of polynomial equation 2 into x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This equation is basically polynomial expression. The whole equation has been set equal to 0 to the form of a polynomial equation. Okay, next. Now we are going to see types of polynomials. The type polynomials equation is basically 4 types. So one is monomial equation and second one is binomial equation. Third one is trinomial or cubic equation. So another one is linear polynomial equation. Next quadratic polynomial equation and next cubic polynomial equation. So now we are going to discuss the brief equation types. Next one. So first one is monomial equation. A monomial equation is nothing but we have a variable or the product of number and one or only one variable or one or more variables. The monomial equation is only one or more variables we have. And then next one, polynomial equation. So polynomial equation is a monomial or a sum of monomials. And then next one, binomial equation. So binomial equation is we have exactly two terms of the polynomial equation. And then next one, trinomial equation. Trinomial equation means we have exactly 3 terms of polynomial equation. And then next is coefficient, a numerical factor in a term of an algebraic expression, that is called coefficient. Next, the degree of monomial, the sum of exponent of all the variables in monomial. So degree of monomial means the sum of exponents. Exponents sum is called degree of monomial. And then next one, degree of a polynomial in one variable. The degree of polynomial in one variable means that is largest exponent of the variable is the degree of a polynomial in one variable. And then next one, standard form. When the terms of a polynomial are arranged from the largest exponent to the smallest exponent, that is we are arranging the form into decreasing order. That is called standard form. Next. So now we are discussing what is degree of monomial. The degree of monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variable in the monomial. So the degree of the monomial means they are giving 5x power 4 into b power 2. Okay. The exponent value is 4 and 2. So here the degree of monomial means we are going to sum the exponent. Sum means adding the exponent terms. So exponent term is 4 and 2 only, and now we are going to add that 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So in that equation the degree of monomial is 6. Okay, next. So see the types of monomial. We are going to briefly given by him. So first one is monomial. Monomial is already told only one term of the equation, that is called a monomial. Next one, binomial. Binomial is two terms. That means one is a variable term, another one is constant term. So two terms is given by the equation, that is called binomial. And then third one is trinomials. So trinomial means they given two variables plus one consonant, that is called trinomial. So next one, polynomial. Polynomial is giving many terms in that equation, that is called polynomial. And next one, constant polynomial. So degree wise types of polynomial is, first one, constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means there is no variable in that constant. So only consonant is given in that equation. So that is called consonant polynomial, and that constant polynomial degree is 0. And then next one, linear polynomial. So linear polynomial is nothing but already we see that polynomial, binomial equation. So that is called the linear polynomial. So the degree only 1. Degree 1 means they are giving a variable and consonant. So x plus 8 is, x is variable and plus 8 is consonant. So only two term is in the linear polynomial. And then third one is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is nothing but same as the trinomial equation. And then cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial is the degree is given by 3, that is called cubic polynomial. So next one, and see the examples of polynomials. So we are going to classify the polynomials by degree and number of terms. So see that A1, A is given only constant number. So constant value is 5. So the degree is 0 because there have no variables. So that is called, that is the degree 0. So 5 is a constant value, and that is only one term is given only, no? So that is called monomial equation. And second one is they are giving two terms. So two term means binomial equation. And then third one is also giving a two term, but the degree of the polynomial. So first value, the degree of the polynomial is 2. So that is also an binomial equation because of the only giving a two terms. And then last one is this is trinomial equation because they are giving a 3 terms, x cube minus 4x square plus 1. So 3 terms are given. So see the degree of the polynomial, the starting value degree is 3. So that is called trinomial equation. Okay, next. So next one, standard form. The polynomial in standard form, rearranging the terms into largest degree into lowest degree. That is called standard form. And then this is leading coefficient. The coefficient of the first term in polynomial written in the standard form. That should be in positive. Okay, next. Okay, see the examples of polynomials. Okay, see that first example, 5x plus 4 into x power 4 minus x square minus 7. They are giving cluster formation. In that polynomial equation, the highest degree value is coming first. So see that equation, 5x plus 4x power 4 minus x square minus 7. They are highest degree is x power 4. So that value is coming to first one. And then next one is x square is the next degree, and then x power 1 is next degree, and then next is degree 0. So the equation is written by 4x4 minus x square plus 5x minus 7. And see the next one, 2x cube minus x power 4 minus 7 plus 5x plus 5x square. Here also giving cluster formation. Now we are going to see that, now we are going to change that highest degree into lowest degree. So see that minus x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 7. I already told you, in that standard form, the starting degree must be in positive, but here that is in negative. So we are going to multiply the minus for whole term. So see, minus 1 is multiplying the whole term. So now we are going to multiply the minus. The first term will be going to changing in a positive integer. Okay, now we are going to write the polynomial in standard form and identify the polynomial degree and number of terms. They are giving two practicing sums. So first one is 7 minus 3x cube minus 2x square. And then second one is 1 plus 3x square plus 2x. Okay, let's see that first example explanation. So in that first question, 7 minus 3x cube minus 2x square. So we are going to arranging the largest degree into first one. So largest degree is minus 3x cube is the largest degree. That means degree value is 3. So that is we are going to come in first. So minus 3x cube is coming first, and then next term is minus 2x square, and then last term is 7. So here first term is to minus only, no? But the standard form of the polynomial, there is no negative form in that first one. So we are going to change it in positive. So how we are going to change it in positive? So we are going to multiply the minus 1 into the term. So that will be changes into a positive integer. So see, minus 1 we are going to multiply it now. So minus into minus 3 of x cube is plus 3 of x cube. And then again minus you are going to multiply the second term. So plus 2 into x square. And then third term, so already they are having plus. So minus into plus is minus. So that will coming minus 7. So next one. So next sum is 1 plus 3x square plus 2x. So here also we are going to arranging the highest degree into the first one. So see the highest degree, that is x square only. So we are going to write it in the first term. So 3x square plus, and then next degree, highest degree is 2x. So that is we are going to write next one, and last one is consonant term. So consonant term is plus 1. So this is the second degree of the polynomial. Thank you.